subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Last year, Vivo has launched its budget smartphone under Y series called Vivo Y12s. And now, the company has launched the upgraded version of it in Vietnam as Vivo Y12s 2021 edition. And although it looks similar to the last year version, but it has some changes in terms of specifications. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo Y12s features a 6.51-inch HD Plus IPS display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f1.8 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a vertically aligned dual camera setup under the rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the new Vivo Y12s comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 chipset, paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of onboard storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on FunTouchOS 11 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it has Multi-Turbo 3.0 feature for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.41 by 76.32 by 8.41 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Vivo Y12s has been priced in Vietnam at 3,290,000 Vietnamese dong. And the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in mysterious black and ice blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y12s 2021 edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.